What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming out with another video tonight. It's going to be a pretty basic, easy, simple JavaScript timer. Okay, so let me show you what we're going to be working on. So this timer right here. Okay, refresh that. It's going to give me 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to come all the way to 9, and it's going to say thumbs up, and then boom, it's going to show up the image. Boom, right? Let's do it again. Okay, this is what we're going to be doing today. uh, 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 Boom, time's up, and boom, right? All right, so we're going to do that, and hopefully you guys like the video. But before we start, please like the video, subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady, surely, whatever the word is. All right, all right, let's do that. So I already have in my browser, I have my hello, I am here, and I have my text editor right here. It's ready to go. All right, let's do that. All right, so it's going to be, hopefully we can finish really quick this one. I don't know how much is really quick. Okay, we're going to have an ID equals, we're going to give the name of clock right here. Okay, that should be good. Now right here we're going to do our script for the JavaScript. Okay, and then we're going to have over here, we're going to have some styles. No style. Oh wow, didn't work. Let's see again. Style. Okay, right there. Boom. Okay, this is, yeah, let's see. Okay, that should be good. All right, so let's start with our JavaScript. We're going to do a bar by the name counter equals to 0, and then we're going to have another bar by the name of time limit equals to 10, right? Because that's what's going to be the time limit. Now we're going to do a bar my timer equals to set to the function set interval, and inside here we're going to be passing the name of our function where all the magic is going to be happening. So we're going to be calling it interval action, and we're going to pass 1000 milliseconds, which is going to be 1 second. Okay, finish the semicolon, and then we gotta do our function. And what was the name of this function again? Oh, come on, interval action right here. Okay, open closing parentheses, and then curly brackets, and then inside here we're going to do our document that get element by ID. I think it was right, element by ID. Okay, and we're going to do the ID we have right here is called clock, and then we're going to do that inner HTML equals to counter plus, we're going to add right here the seconds, period, and semicolon, and right here we want to do the counter plus because it's going to be adding. Okay, now we're going to do our if statement. If counter greater, our counter is 0, right? If our counter is greater than 10, which is going to be time limit, So we want to execute the following right here inside. um, we want our clock, let's see, document that get, let's use that over here, get tell by id clock. We're going to say over here that inner html equals to time's up, time is up. Okay, and then we're going to clear to stop that interval. We're going to say my timer. Okay, okay, now also what we need to happen right here, we want to show the image, the boom, right? So we're going to create a constant variable by the name img equals to document yes, it's called document that create element, and we're going to do a img right here. Okay, and the img dot src for the source equals, so right here that's where my image is. I got a folder where my image is right here, but we're going to do that /, it is in my images folder, and the name of the picture is called boom. Actually I did that with Adobe Illustrator really quick. It doesn't look that pretty. I'm not a very good designer, so I'm not a designer. So I just did it quick. Now we're going to do document that body, and we're going to say append child. I'm going to pass the img. So let's save that and see what we have. Okay, let's go in the seconds right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time's up. Ooh, the image didn't work. Let's see what's going on. So let's see where it is the issue for my image. It's not showing. Okay, let me just, I'm checking our const img okay equals document that create element, which we're creating, img, okay, img dot src the image is called boom.png. Oh, right here is my issue document. It was a typo, so let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, nice, we got it. So let's just do a little bit of style now. Let's do some styles right here. We're going to do our clock, make it look a little bit pretty, a little bit. Man, we can do a lot of things. We can spend like hours and hours doing this, but you know, we just want to get that concept. That's it, and then you can just build whatever you want on top of that, right? You can do a lot of things with this. 60 pixels. We want the padding is going to be 60 pixels, and then we're going to be doing color. We're going to be doing red. Now we want the background to be black. Then we need font size to be 30 pixels. Border, I don't think we need border. Let's just, maybe let's just do border. Let's do 2 pixels solid green. Okay, no border, border. Okay, then we need width. We're going to do 200 pixels right here, and we're going to do a margin. Margin 0 out. I don't know why I have this right here when it's not going to work. Let's see. Let's save that and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Time's up. Boom. You know, actually, we can just do it from counting from 10 all the way to 0, right? Instead of, because now we're doing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, right? So we can do the other way. It's just pretty simple. We just gotta change a couple things right here really quick. So our counter is going to be 10. Our time limit is going to be 0. And then our counter right here is going to be minus minus. And that should make it. Let's see. Time's up. Okay, time's up. All right, let's see. There's always something. Let's see. What do? Oh yeah, right here. There's always, I keep forgetting. So now the counter is going to be, if the counter is less than the time limit, that's when it's going to execute all of this code in there. Let's save that. And now it should work. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Time's up. Alright guys, thank you for checking the channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You know, I always say I will put video every single day, so we'll see. Alright, thank you guys and have a good night. Hopefully this video helped you out. Okay, bye bye.